Hello everybody and welcome back. In previous lesson we just saw about the different working scenarios of your components of your HV vehicle. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the differences between motor and a generator, which is your MG1 and MG2. Motor converts electrical to mechanical energy, whereas generator converts mechanical to electrical energy. As you can see here, so electrical energy is provided and the coil rotates, but here the coil rotates and electricity is produced. So this is the output, this is the input. Here this is the input and the coil rotates, that is the output. The working of motor is based on current carrying conduction placed in magnetic field, whereas in generator it is based on electromagnetic induction. The shaft is driven by magnetic field, whereas in generator shaft is attached to rotor and driven by mechanical force. As you can see here, the electricity is passed and this electricity passes through the coils and it generates magnetic field through which the rotor rotates. Here the shaft is connected to this coil copper wire which rotates and produces electricity. Motor produces mechanical energy which can be transferred by pulley and shaft. So if we want to drive wheels, we can just use the pulley and shaft system to drive our wheels. Here in generator it generates AC current which is used for charging of battery. So generator is the main component which is used for regenerative braking to charge the HV battery, whereas motor is used to drive the wheels. In motor, current is supplied to the armature welding, means motor uses AC current to produce mechanical energy, whereas in generator current is produced in the armature winding. So we provide mechanical energy and we get current as the output. Motor uses electricity to power the wheels, whereas generator takes energy or power from wheels and convert it into the electricity. As I talked before, generator is used to recharge our HV battery. So it takes the power or energy from the wheels and convert it into electricity, whereas in motor it uses electricity to power the wheels. Every motor acts as a generator when rotating. Both are of opposite nature. So this is very important. You think that these two are different, but motor and generator are the same. If you maintain magnetic field and rotate the rotor faster than its normal speed, then when run as a motor, the back EMF will exceed supply voltage and motor will work as generator. So as you can see here, we are providing the electric current here and the shaft will rotate. Here the mechanical force is applied to the coil and electricity is produced. These both are the same, but the functions and the principle are different. As I talked here in the previous lecture, so here you can see this is our generator MG1. It is taking electrical energy and converting it in mechanical energy, means this is now acting as a motor, not as a generator. As the definition of generator is to take mechanical energy and convert in electrical energy. But here, as you can see, it is taking electrical energy and converting that into mechanical energy, means it is working opposite of generator. So this is motor. Next we can see here your motor or MG1 is taking mechanical power and then converting it into electrical power. Now this MG1 is acting as generator, whereas in the previous case it was acting as a motor. So you can see this MG1 can act as both a generator and motor. This is what I was saying, that motor and generator are the same, just the nature is different. Here you can see it is taking mechanical energy and converting it into electrical energy, but in the previous case it was taking the electrical energy and converting it into mechanical energy to start the engine. So this is the main difference between your motor and generator, and motor and generator are the same, just the difference is their application and their principle. So this was about in this lecture. In next lecture we will talk about regenerative braking. Thank you and bye for now.